everyone. Myself Kalichalvi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering for past 10 years. So today we are going to discuss about the topic application of electrical drive in conveyor system. So in your previous session we had discussed about the application of electrical vehicle. So today we are going for conveyor system. So in the design thinking concept. So we all know about the design thinking have 5 stages, that is empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So let's we discuss about the topics based on the design thinking concept.
So, conveyor belts. The electrical drive plays an important role in conveyor belts. For example, companies like Amazon, TCS, or many hardware companies use conveyor belts for packaging and conveying their products from one place to another. So, how we use our electrical drives using in the conveyor belt plays a vital role in their time efficiency and management. There are certain disadvantages for as an traditional conveyor belts. For example, the conveyor belt will be moving in a constant speed, or it will produce more heat, etc. Now my friend will explain the define part.
After understanding the problem statement, we can here define that the problem is the statement can be how can we design a conveyor system that automatically adjusts speed and torque according to the speed variations and torque according to the load conditions while reducing the energy consumption and mechanical stress. According to traditional fixed speed motors cannot adapt a load variation and it cannot be adjusted to the load variations and the load same power whether the conveyor is fully loaded or partially loaded. Therefore, the need is to a smart motor control system, and this is achieved using electrical drives, especially variable frequency drives.
Then we developed some possible ideas. The best solutions are integrated with AC induction motor, variance frequency drive, is known as the VDF, then load sensor, speed sensors and control units. Then some companies like Siemens, ABB, Delta Electronics, they are used the VFD. It's also known as the VAD. They are used the advanced industrial drives for some applications. A variance frequency drive works by changing the frequency of supply, which is directly connected to the motor and control the motor speeds. How if the load increases, the torque will also gradually increases. Then the load decreases, the speed also reduces. This ensures the savings energy and smooth operations.
So the next main stage is prototype. So this prototype stage system consists of components like power supply, motor driver and conveyor belt and sensors and motor. So this motor is used to give a rotatory motion for the conveyor belt, and the motor driver is used to control the motor driver belt and like forward and backward. And the next is sensors. Sensor is used to fetch data from the loads which are placed above the conveyor belt. So
in the test stage, we evaluate to energy consumption, speed stability, and torque response and maintenance response. In results that stores the drive controlled by the conveyor system is like reduce energy usage, improve productivity, and increase motor lifespan and lower maintenance. It uses by the test stage.
For the final part, this electrical drives is not only a motor with a controller, it is a major part in the automation industry. As of for the conveyor system, it is in every place now, and in future conveyors and robotics will be the future. So using the electric drives and everything, only it is possible with clear understanding of it. And in conveyor systems we need proper inputs. If the load is constant and if the torque is also constant, we cannot get a proper the flow. So if we use variance frequency devices, it will help us to have the very smooth flow of the conveyor, and we can make the electrical losses, mechanical losses and everything we can reduce it. In this conveyor system, we majorly focus on how the torque, how the force, how the load and how much speed it goes. It is all majorly involved in it.
So I hope you all understand about the conveyor system. Okay, ma'am? So in this we all know about not only the conveyor system, in the design thinking concept. Okay, so thank you.